Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, you have been using Shopify for a while now and you are going through a liquid error message on your Shopify store, which means there is a problem with your temp code. So in today's small tutorial, we're really gonna talk on how to actually fix this type of issue fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first we're gonna go all the way to shopify.com and look for the issue. Since you should identify the error message, the page usually shows which section or line is affected. You can also go ahead and edit the temp code by going to your online store here. You see, then go all the way to temps. Look for a button or basically an option, edit temp or edit code. It depends on you. Go all the way to edit code here. It will open a new tab or a new window where you should basically be able to edit the temp. There is also this AI that would help you that you can use for later. You should also check in your recently edited file. Look for missing brackets, tags, or even variables that basically are missing. Then restore the original code. Use gem backups or re-download the gem if needed. Disable any app injected code, since apps may insert broken liquid snippets. Basically, to deactivate them, we need to uninstall the apps. Go to apps here, then go all the way to app settings. We're gonna wait. Basically here, tap on this three-dot menu and tap on uninstall. If there is any update available for the apps or for the temp, make sure you apply them. Then just after each change, just refresh the page after every fix and see if it's working properly. And that's basically it. Thank you all for watching and I will see you in the next video.